everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be my updated makeup collection video. This was a highly requested video by you guys, so I definitely wanted to make this video. A lot of my items that are in my makeup collection are not really brand new, just because I haven't really been shopping for makeup, surprisingly. Just because the pandemic started and I really haven't been wearing makeup too much just because we have to be wearing masks. However, I did get some things over the past year and so on, so I definitely wanted to show you guys what's different in my makeup collection. No further ado, let me stop talking and let's get started. Okay guys, so this is actually where I keep my makeup, and if you guys are not aware of my last makeup collection video, I actually had my makeup in my vanity, and I actually got rid of that vanity because I don't even do my makeup in my room, or I never did my makeup in, at my vanity. So I just figured to get something that can store my makeup in a very convenient way, and I'm so happy that I found this little, excuse my lighting and my messiness over there, but I chose to purchase this little drawer type of thing from Michaels. It's actually something for like arts and crafts. However, I purchased this from Michaels for only $20. It was on sale, and I don't know if it's still on sale, but let me tell you, here's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There's 10 drawers, and let me tell you, it's so classy, so chic. It's just silver, has a silver top, and then the drawers are just white, and it just matches my room. And also it has little wheels at the end, so I highly recommend it. I'll definitely link it below. Hopefully it's on sale, but I'm not quite sure. But no further ado, I'm just going to start off with what's at the top of this little drawer. As you can see, I have both of my Michael Kors handbags, and you're probably like, that has nothing to do with makeup. And I know, I just purchased these and put those there because I actually want to get something to hold my palettes. However, I just purchased and put these there just for the time being. But I think it looks cute. I also got this little mug, or not really a mug, but it's more so like a holder for your makeup brushes. I purchased this from Marshalls, and it's super duper cute. It's just pink and white, and it goes with the aesthetic of my room. Like I said, it's just silver at the top. And then let's just get into the first drawer. So in the first drawer here, as you can see, I have all of my lip products, and let me tell you, I'm an addict of lip products. That's why I put all of them on the top drawer for easy access. So if you're wondering what I have in here, I have a lot of Too Faced melted latex lip glosses. I have the Buxom lip gloss in the color Mariah. I have some, what is this? I think this is, I'm not even quite sure what this one is. I think this is by LA Colors. I have more by Too Faced. I have some from Fenty Beauty. I have some MAC lip glasses, which are actually some of my favorites. What else have I got in here? Another MAC Dazzle Glass, an EOS Lip Balm, LA Colors, Lorac, you name it. Honestly, everything. I have high-end and low-end products. In the second drawer, I have some of my palettes, and this little drawer is actually really heavy because I have a lot of my palettes in here. But I have the BH Cosmetics Daisy Marquez palette. I have a lot of Too Faced, like I said, so I have the Too Faced Natural Lust palette, and I will open this up for you guys if I can with one hand. Let's see if I can do it. Okay, so I have that one. I have the Carly Bibble palette. I have the Jaclyn Hill palette back there. I have a lot of YouTubers I see, a lot of their palettes. I have more of the Too Faced Chocolate Bonbons palette, a little bear palette by, I think, BH Cosmetics, the Too Faced Berry Razzle Dazzle Berry eyeshadow, the Totally Cute palette, the Cat Eyes palette, and then some of these little mini palettes from one of their holiday collections. In my next drawer, I also have some more palettes because palettes are definitely something that I have a lot of. I have this one, which is the Hot Jersey Leopard Couture palette by NYX. I have the Volcano Goddess by Becca Cosmetics. This palette is stunning, guys. Let me open it up and show you guys. So this is what this palette looks like, and it's so pretty. Do you see that blue that's at the bottom right? It's absolutely stunning. I got the Too Faced Chocolate Bar Palette Semi-Sweet and the White Chocolate Palette. I have the BH Cosmetics Photo Op Mega Palette, the Naked Urban Decay Smoky Palette, Anastasia Subculture Palette. I have the Too Faced Funfetti Palette and the BH Cosmetics Glimmerish Blush 10 color blush palette. In my next drawer, I keep anything related to the eyes. So this little drawer is definitely anything like eyeshadow, any single eyeshadows, mascara, primer, eyeshadow primer, eyeliner, eyelashes, you name it. Anything that's for the eyes I have in this little drawer. So as you can see here, I have the Mally It's Your Time to Shine 8 Evercolor shadow sticks. I have a little eyebrow kit by ELF. I have the Too Faced Shadow Insurance eyeshadow primer. I have some of these Stila little eyeshadow glitter and glow liquid eyeshadows. I absolutely love these. These are so stunning. I need to get more of these because they're amazing. I have this color right here. I have this one, which is like an iridescent color and called Admiral. I have this one right here. I have a gold one. I have some MAC little singles over here, some Wet n Wild, my lash glue. I have some eyelashes that I purchased from Marshalls. These are just really inexpensive but very simple and cute. I have the Fenty Beauty little eyeshadow in Mimosa Sunrise and Sangria Sunset. The Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara, an ELF eyeliner. I have another set of eyelashes, a little palette back there, my eyelash curler, and so forth. So that's pretty much what's in that drawer. Anything like that is related to the eyes, like I said. So in this drawer, I have anything that's related to like my face. And when I say my face, I mean more so like my blushes and my highlights. So I don't really have too much in this drawer. I definitely need to get more. But as you can see, I have my What's Up highlighter by Benefit. I have my Fenty Beauty highlighter in the color Trophy Wife. This is actually one of my all-time favorites. It's such a beautiful highlight. I have the Sweetie Pie bronzer by Too Faced, a Stila highlight, and this is in the color Brilliance. The Sweet Peach Glow palette, a Wet n Wild highlight highlighter powder. I have two of these Too Faced little blushes. They're Love Blush blushes. An Anastasia Liquid Glow. A Milani highlight. A Kat Von D blush. And also a ELF blush palette. So that's really what I have in this drawer. It's, like I said, it's anything that's like blushes and highlights for my face. My next drawer is actually the drawer that is the most packed. This is anything like my concealers, my foundations, my powders, you name it. So pretty much in here, let's start from the left. I have the MAC Fast Response eye cream. I have the Peach Mist by Too Faced. I have a Maybelline Fit Me foundation. I have an ELF little poreless face primer. I have this little guy, which is a MAC strobe cream. I have the LA Colors Conceal It concealer, as well as the Pro Conceal by LA Girl, and these two are honestly amazing. If you want like a really inexpensive concealer, I highly recommend these two. I have, what else do I have right here? I have a foundation. This is by Makeup Forever, and it's an Ultra HD foundation. I have the Matte Magic Mist and Sets setting spray. I have an e.l.f. setting powder right here. As you can tell, I love my L'Oreal True Match Super Blendable Powders. I have 3 of those. I have the Anastasia Beverly Hills Concealer, and this is also amazing. A really good concealer. It is high-end, but it's really amazing. I have the Too Faced Born This Way Concealer. What's this? Oh, this is my Bare Minerals Matte Foundation. A Prep Set and Go by Milani. My Airspun loose face powder. This is absolutely an amazing face powder if you guys are wondering. Very inexpensive. I have my Wet n Wild contouring palette, which is just a duo. Of course, my MAC Prep and Prime Fix Plus, a proactive concealer, my Too Faced Hangover face primer, a contour palette by LA Colors, and then back there is my Anastasia Beverly Hills contour palette. In my next drawer, I pretty much just have a random combination of some of my brushes, my makeup brushes. I don't really organize them, I just kind of throw them in the drawer, which is totally fine with me. Once I get more brushes, I'll definitely organize them more better, but for now I just have them kind of mixed in here. Okay, so we finally reached like the last 3 drawers, and all 3 of these drawers have nothing really to do with makeup. However, I still want to show you them because it's a part of this little drawer set. So in this next drawer, I have anything that's related to my hair. So in here, of course, I have like hair scrunchies, a brush, a comb, hair bonnets, bobby pins, stocking wave caps, foaming mousses, like you name it. As well as this next drawer, I have anything that's related to kind of like beauty or like skincare. This is more so like lotions, any leftover lotions that I have from Bath and Body Works that I just never got to finish. However, I didn't want to throw it out because there's still product in there. I have the Malibu Heat, Fiji Sunshine Guavatini, Sunset Guava Colada. I have some shaving creams, some little hand lotions, little hand sanitizers, toothpaste, proactive, like. And last but not least, my last drawer is anything related to my nails. So this includes pretty much my nail sets, my press-on nails, nail glue, nail polish, nail filer, anything related to nails. Okay guys, so that was my entire makeup collection. I really hope you guys enjoy this video. Of course, I'm going to give you one rundown once again of what my little makeup collection holder looks like. Like I said, this is from Michael's. I only paid $20. If the most, it should be probably $30 right now. I'm not sure, but I'll definitely leave it in the description box, the description of this item. But yeah, it's really nice, and that's just how I, you know, store my makeup for right now, and I'm totally fine with it. I really hope you guys enjoy this video. Please be sure to give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in my next video.